was the button image variant. So I got an image, and I just want a variation of it, not a new image. So, and why that is interesting is because what you supply, what you send to OpenAI to get a variant is not a prompt. You're actually sending or telling it about an image it already has. Hey, you have this, make a variation. So that is a good way also. You can extend on this idea and say, hey, I have an image, make a variation. I don't have a prompt yet. We are starting with a prompt today, but of course, everything I tell you, everything you see, everything you find, you can put together in a new creative way. So I'm just giving you the pieces, so to say. So we will look what's the magic about behind this blue button, this button here, that just did that. So let's go into that, and I will do it, of course, step by step, but I also prepared a slide for this, so I can give you an overview. So the first thing we need is, of course, to put go to a home page, just a domain, like anything like Facebook.com, and you don't type anything else. What they actually do is they load the index page. So there has to be an index page. But as you can see here, when I drop down, I have many pages. And that's even, yeah, so, oh my God, what am I doing? Yeah, so, and you can then, those pages, you're free to name as you like. I call mine track because this is a track. Or on Tuesday, I had a page called Keynote and stuff like that. So, yeah. Thank you for the question. Good. All right. So I choose track, and you will choose index in the element dropdown, and then you will get the states that you have already created, and we will use image from AI. And so now we have told Bubble, use this box that is from the page, it's called image from AI, and now we need to tell Bubble what to store in it. You might think that, hey Bubble, don't you know what I'm doing by now? No, because Bubble says you can do anything. I'm trying to make it simple for you to do anything, but I don't have that level of AI just yet that will anticipate what you want to do. So for the moment, we actually need to tell it what to do. Give it 6 months, you will do this via prompt as well. So it's moving so fast. But I've actually thought about this a bit, and why Bubble and new technology, AI and stuff, has been fairly easy for me to learn. That is because I have prior knowledge of computers and stuff like that, so that has helped me learn faster. So even if, like say in a year you won't do exactly like this, that doesn't matter, because you learn, that's the way it works behind the scenes, under the hood a bit, and that lets you learn faster. Because yes, AI and everything, at the end of the day, in the garage or in the cellar, there's a computer. And we are now instructing a computer to do what we want to do. And by knowing what that means, you know something and you can be smarter prompting. Because that's what's going to be all about, smart prompting. I'm calling OpenAI, I want that result. Vision. I want multiple images. I want something else. I want to know what OpenAI said about this. There is so much information that you can utilize in some way in your app if you want to. So digging into stuff opens possibilities. I'm showing you but a glimpse of what we can do. A glimpse. And also, doing the other stuff is not harder. It's just like, now you know how to do this. Alright, you have to spend a little time learning the other thing. It doesn't mean that it's harder. It's okay, I don't know that. Now I know that, so you can carry on. So don't ever be afraid of other things. And for me, this no-code thing is like a playground, really. I just test things. Nothing can break. It might not work, but it doesn't matter. So I'm playing a lot, and I make a million mistakes. And in that work, in that playing, really, I have new ideas. I discover stuff. So see that's playing, really. Alright, so inside the body, we take the first item and the URL. And the URL, that's a word meaning a link to something. This up here, that's the URL for the bubble and page. Maybe you already know this, but what we are getting at is, if you get the URL, Bubble can get the picture for us. It does some magic there. Nobody knows what. It doesn't matter. We say, get that. Here you have the URL. Give me that image and store that in my box. All right. Can I help anybody getting step 2 in play? Were we good? Right. Now I'm nervous again because I'm creating a real time, and now I'm going there. It's up here. Up there. Don't mind the menu. Just click the blue thing. Run your page. And first you need to create an image. You need an image before you can have a variant. So my first thing is create an image with the old button. That worked. I click the image variant button, taking that generated image and say, hey OpenAI,